Archana. So I request everyone, please close your eyes and decide all your family member name and your nakshatra, and we are doing starting the Archana now. And everyone can repeat this Sankalpa. We are, as I said before, so we are here for their 50th birthday, as well as 25th anniversary. So we are seeking blessing from the Ramaswamy Swami, Sita, and Lakshmana, and Bharat, Arjuna, Sameta, Sri Hanuman Swami. So to get a good prosperity, healthy and wealthy life for them. And also we are just offering the prayers to. We want to give Shashiyakta Purti, Shanti, Sadabhishekam, Purnabhishekam, Kanakabhishekam, Sahasra Chandra Darshanam, and all the 100 years. As the Veda is describing Sadhamanam Bhavati Shadayuhu, means we all have a good complete, Dirghayush means 100 years. So we also be here in front of the Swami Sanadhi, we are offering the prayers to have good 100 age, and we want to reach and all this, we want to see all the grandkids and Prabodha means.
Ladies first. Together.
Memories of wedding exchange they are doing. After the exchange,